Alright, this is the mastery topic video for just number 6, graphing a quadratic in standard form and vertex form. So if we look at example 1, we can identify that it is in standard form. So the biggest thing we need to find out is what is our vertex and what is our a value. So we'll start with the vertex. In order to find the x value of our vertex, we need that fancy axis of symmetry formula, x equals negative b over 2a. So we'll plug in our values. Negative 12 is our b, 2 is our a, so we get an x value of positive 3. That's only the x value. To find the corresponding y value for the vertex, we need to plug it in every time we see an x in the equation. We end up with a y value of negative 2, so that means our vertex is at 3, negative 2. We can go ahead and plot that. The next thing we look at is our a value. The a value is our scaling, so this means there's a scaling of 2. So when we plot points, we're going to go over 1 up 2 and over 2 up 8. Remember, we're multiplying that vertical distance from the parent function by 2. Connect the parabola and we are done. Our second example is in vertex form, so it's a little bit easier because we can graph it using transformations. So let's start by identifying what those transformations are. The negative on the outside shows that there's a vertical reflection, so our parabola is going to flip upside down. The plus 2 inside the parentheses, remember that horizontal shifts are always the opposite of what you see, so even though we see a plus 2, it means we're going to the left 2. And then what's on the outside, plus 1, means up 1. It stays true to the direction. So the first thing we can do is apply the shifts to the vertex. So we always start at 0, 0, so then we go left 2, up 1, and we can go ahead and plot that point. There's a vertical reflection, so instead of going over 1, up 1, like the normal parent function pattern, we're going to go over 1, down 1. The next over 2, down 4. So now that we have 5 points, we can use that axis of symmetry to reflect the points over to get more. We can connect those with arrows and lines, and we are done.